Here we have the availability plugin. This allows us to see which agents are available. We have right now 4 available agents, and if I have the admin or supervisor role, even if I set as available, I won't show on the list unless I just act as agent. Now you can see me here. And if I go to the agent view, like this user, they also can see the plugin. If they set as available, they will show right here. And now I'm going to make a call. And you can see we also have the plugin right here.